Welcome to MotoZone Official. This time, we will discuss about top 7 best 350cc motorcycles of 2026. Seven, 2026 BSA Bantam 350. Kicking off our list is the 2026 BSA Bantam 350, a modern reinterpretation of an icon. BSA has infused this lightweight 350cc with nostalgia and contemporary engineering. With its rounded fuel tank, twin rear shocks, and a rumbling single-cylinder engine, the Bantam 350 evokes the charm of British motorcycles from a bygone era, but with reliable performance for today's riders. What makes the Bantam special is its approachable power delivery, ideal for beginners and seasoned riders who love classic looks without sacrificing ride quality. Its ergonomics are relaxed, the handling is nimble, and the overall package remains affordable, making it a compelling choice in the retro segment. Six, 2026 Royal Enfield Meteor 350. Next up, we head to India's iconic Royal Enfield and its beloved Meteor 350. In 2026, the Meteor remains a top choice for riders seeking comfort and touring versatility in the 350cc class. Smooth, torquey, and blessed with strong low-end grunt, the Meteor excels on long highway days and city traffic alike. Its cruiser-style frame, comfortable seat, and intuitive controls make it perfect for new riders and weekend adventurers. With its Tripper navigation pod and refined build quality, the Meteor 350 continues to set benchmarks in this displacement category. Five, 2026 Yamaha YZF-R3. For a dose of sport bike exhilaration, the 2026 Yamaha YZF-R3 earns a well-deserved spot at number 5. This fully fared 350cc sport machine carries the legendary R-Series DNA, lightweight, aggressive, and track-ready. The R3's parallel twin engine punches well above its class, offering snappy acceleration and confident highway performance. Its aerodynamic fairing isn't just for show, it enhances stability at speed. With sharp handling, sporty ergonomics, and crisp brakes, the Yamaha R3 is a dream for riders who want excitement without jumping to supersport territory. Four, 2026 Royal Enfield Hunter 350. Coming in at number 4 is another Royal Enfield favorite, the Hunter 350. Unlike the Meteor's cruiser vibe, the Hunter leans into urban agility with a minimalist, rugged design. Compact and friendly, the Hunter 350 is built for city streets and tight turns. Its chassis feels light and responsive, while the engine delivers smooth, predictable power, perfect for both beginners and experienced riders who want a fun, easy-to-live-with bike. With customizable accessory options and a youthful spirit, the Hunter 350 stands out as one of 2026's most versatile 350cc bikes. Three, 2026 Honda GB350S. At number 3 is the 2026 Honda GB350S, a stylish contender from a brand known for reliability and refinement. The GB350S evolves Honda's cruiser philosophy, combining classic proportions with modern engineering. This bike's comfortable ergonomics and torquey 350cc single makes it a delightful companion for city cruising and light touring. Its design blends retro flair with contemporary sensibilities, giving riders a confident stance whether parked or rolling. With Honda's legendary build quality and after-sales support, the GB350S is a solid pick for riders looking for a premium yet understated 350cc ride. Two, 2026 Morbidelli T352X. Taking the runner-up spot, the 2026 Morbidelli T352X is the wild card of our list, an Italian-crafted machine that pushes the boundaries of style and performance in the 350cc class. Packed with premium components, unique design cues, and a rich exhaust note, the T352X blends cafe racer chic with modern dynamics. Its sporty frame and responsive engine make cornering thrilling, while its exclusivity and craftsmanship stand out among peers. For riders who crave expressive style and engaging performance, the Morbidelli T352X is a standout choice. One, 2026 BSA Thunderbolt 350. And finally, claiming the top spot is the 2026 BSA Thunderbolt 350, a motorcycle that perfectly balances heritage charm with refined modern engineering. The Thunderbolt's design is bold yet timeless, with brushed metal finishes, classic instrument clusters, and a muscular stance. Its 350cc engine delivers smooth, capable power with plenty of character. What really sets the Thunderbolt apart is how it feels. Confident at highway speeds, comfortable around town, and a joy to look at from every angle. With its strong build quality, engaging ride dynamics, and classic meets modern appeal, the BSA Thunderbolt 350 earns the title of the best 350cc motorcycle of 2026.